Welcome to EDU World Space.
Hi guys, this is chapter 26, problem 1, and in this question we're asked, for each of letters A, B, C, and D, which of these bonds would you expect to have a higher interest rate and why? So remember, the interest rate on a bond, or really the interest rate on anything, is a reflection of risk. So what this question is really asking us is, which of these bonds is riskier? So for part A, we would expect an Eastern European bond to be riskier because the US government is more established, it has more money, it collects more in taxes every year, and is more stable and is a much less risky investment. For question B, so a bond that repays principal in the year 2020 or 2040, a longer term bond is always riskier because more can happen in 20 years than can happen in 2 years. And so there's more uncertainty with a longer term bond, and therefore it's riskier. So we would expect the 2040 bond to pay a higher interest rate. For part C, Coca-Cola, a well established brand that has a lot of revenue and a lot of profits, or a software company you run out of your garage. So your software company would pay a higher interest rate because it's a riskier investment. And then part D is a bond issued by the federal government or a bond issued by the state government. Now, generally, state bonds and federal bonds are both pretty safe investments, especially the state of New York. But the federal government has more money, it's more well established, it will be a safer investment than a state that collects a smaller amount of revenue and is more susceptible to economic fluctuations. And so the answer then is New York State. This was chapter 26, question 1.